Today we're going to learn how to use auto align feature in Adobe Photoshop. We'll talk about everything you need to know about it. I have few examples here to see different use cases of the auto align feature. But first we need to know the basics. As the name suggests, it aligns two or more layers according to their similarities. I have these two flowers here. These are the exact same flowers. Now select these two layers and go to Edit and then select Auto Align Layers. It will open the Auto Align Layers dialog box. Here you have different options, but just select Auto. You don't really have to think about the other options. Auto always works. Then hit OK. Now you see these two layers are placed exactly in the same position. Okay, we learned how to use the auto align feature. Now let's see some real life use cases. Let's go back to our first example. Suppose I want her to have shorter hair. I generated a short hair photo with the same person. Let's drag and drop it in Photoshop. You might say, why not upload the whole photo and generate a short hair version using the full image? If I do that, then it will reduce the image quality. Always try to generate only the part that you want to change. Also, we are assuming Photoshop's AI didn't work very well, so we have to use some other AI tool like ChatGPT. If you want to align it manually, you can reduce the opacity and try to match it. You can also change the blend mode to reference and then try to match it. But this takes some time. We can easily align it perfectly with the auto align feature within a second. Select both the layers and go to Edit and select auto align layers. But wait, why auto align option is grayed out? Because auto align doesn't work on a smart object. You need to first rasterize it and then select these two layers. Now go to Edit and select auto align layers. Keep it auto. Then hit OK. See, it matches perfectly. When you generate something using AI, it changes a bit. But even after that, auto align option works perfectly in this case. Sometimes you might see some hard edges. In this case, it's okay, but if you ever see hard edges, then create a mask and with the brush tool, paint with black. We know in mask, black hides and white shows. It will remove the hard edges. You can also use multiple photos in auto align. Let's delete this one and bring two photos. I have one blonde hair and the other one is the short hair version. First, rasterize the layers like before. Select all these three layers and go to Edit and select Auto Align Layers. Keep it auto like before and hit OK. See, it works for multiple photos as well. Now let's go to the second example. This one is an old black and white photo. I generated this colorized version. I colorized it in one go, so the image quality is not as good as the original. In this case, we can only take the colors of the generated image, so the image quality remains the same. First, rasterize the layer. Then select both the layers and apply auto align just like before. When I generate the colorized version, it changed the ratio of the photo a bit, so I need to crop it. Press C for the crop tool and crop the edge areas. All the persons in the photo are intact, so we can work with that. If I zoom in, then you can see the image quality is different than the original photo. Unlike the last example, we cannot generate a small part for this photo. Anyway, now change the blend mode to color. This way we can only take the colors and that's what we need here. Now after that you can increase the saturation or adjust the brightness or do some color grading. So these are some of the real life use cases for auto align feature in Photoshop. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.